Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Data Wizard. In this video, we're going to discuss about the Math and Data Science Part 3. In this, we'll study about the remaining two measures of dispersions that are variance and standard deviation. And if you want to know about the third measure of dispersion, that is interquartile range, please click on the I button and that will redirect you to my previous video. So without wasting time, let's start part 3 of the series. So let's start with variance and standard of deviation. Now, what is variance and why it is required? If already mean is existing with us and we know the median, then what is the requirement of variance and standard deviation? So to understand that, let me tell you one example of a man who want to swim in a river that is having variance in their depth. So let's start. Suppose a man wants to swim in a river that has variation in their depth. For example, you can assume the variations for the depth of a river is 2, 4, 9, 6, and 3. Now, if we calculate the mean of these numbers, that comes as 4.8. So we can say the guy that if you can swim till the depth of 4.8, the you can swim in the river. So but is it true? No, because when he comes to the depth of 9 or 6, he will drown. So we can understand that mean is always not a solution for every problem. So that's the reason we require variance for this. Now the question is this: what is variance? The variance tells how spread out of the data is, and there are formulas for variance as you can see on the screen. To understand variance in a layman language, we can say that the amount by which something changes or is different from something else. You can say that the variance. Now, from the previous statement, what we are assuming something is changing. That is are the values that comes over in our xi part, and from something else. As I mentioned, what is this something else? Here we are considering something else as a mean, which is a reference for us. How much the values are deviating from the mean is known as variance. Now there would be a question arising in your mind that why we have done squares. So for squares, we know the in mean is a middle value, and there are values existing below mean and higher than the mean. So when we are subtracting the values from the mean which are less than, then it is giving positive. When we are subtracting the values with the higher values, when the higher values are subtracted with the median, it gives a minus sign. So to make that insignificant and to make the magnitude as significant, we are providing the squares over here. So now you are understanding why we have put this square. To make it, the positive should be there for make to make them significant. Now there will be a question in your mind: what are these values which we have given to the depth of the river? These values are random variables. How these random variables differ from its expected value? And what is its expected value? That is a mean. So you can also define variance as the average of squares of the difference between the individual that are observed and the expected value. That means it is always positive. In practice, it is measure of how something changes. That's the reason we are squaring, to make the things positive. One more thing, why variance is important. Statistics, in a sense, were created to represent the data in two or three numbers. The variance is measure of how dispersed or spread out the data is, something that the average, mean, or median is not designed to do. That is, when they are not designed to do, who comes to do? That is our variance. And after explaining you the standard of deviation, after this I will tell you one example, after that all thing would be clear in your mind, the what is variance and what is standard deviation, and how the mean is different from standard deviation and variance. So keep watching till the end. So without wasting time, let's start. Standard of deviation, that's be known as standard deviation. Standard of deviation, in layman language we can say that a quantity expressing by how much the members of the group differ from the mean value for the group. In variance, what we are checking, the squares, how they are different, the square of mean how is different from square of values. In this we are checking how much the values are differing, that is known as standard deviation. And don't mind guys if I am repeating standard of deviation, that's the same thing. You can see the formula of standard deviation in the on the screen. So after this we want to understand why standard deviation is important. The main and the most important purpose of standard deviation is to understand how spread out the data is, that is for same for variance, so how both are different. Now, the low standard deviation means the most points are very close to the average, and the high standard deviation means most of the points are very far from the average. So, in this way, we can take out how spread out the data is. If the standard deviation is low, which means the values are very close to the mean, and if the standard deviation value is high, that means the data spread out is more. And if the values are, if the standard deviation value is less, then the values are nearby the mean. Hope you guys understand what is the importance of standard deviation. As I told you previously, I would be explaining you something, after that it will be clear in your mind what is how variance standard deviation are different from mean. So take an example from the previous value, which we have taken the values for the river. In these values, if we add some value, that is in all the five values, if we add some magnitude of the value, like suppose 2 is added to all the five values, now what happens? Did the mean changes? No, the mean doesn't changes. What will change? The variance will change and the standard deviation will change. Now this is a homework for you guys. You check out the formula of variance and standard deviation, add these value and see by your own, is this changing or not, and do comment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. Stay motivated, keep learning. Bye bye.